Are you having trouble attracting beautiful birds to your yard? It can be tough to choose the right bird bath with so many options out there, but don't worry. I've got you covered. Keep watching as we uncover the top 5 bird baths that will turn your outdoor space into a bird-watching paradise. Be sure to check the description below for links to all the products mentioned. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Best Choice Products Rustic Outdoor Bird Bath. This combo set is perfect if you're looking for both a bird bath and a solar-powered water fountain. Made from weather-resistant polyresin, it's designed to withstand intense sunlight and cold temperatures. No cracking or breaking, even in tough weather. What I really love about this bird bath is how lightweight it is. You can easily move it around your yard until you find the perfect spot. And for added stability, just fill the pedestal with gravel or stones. The solar-powered fountain runs on sunlight and gives you multiple fountain heads, allowing for different water patterns. But here's the thing. While many users rave about its appearance and how easy it is to put together, there are a couple of downsides. Some customers mention that the fountain tends to spray water over the sides, meaning you'll need to refill it more often than expected. If you're looking for a truly low-maintenance option, this might be a bit of a hassle. Also, while the build quality is decent for the price, it's not something that'll last you forever. If you're after a decorative fountain that doubles as a bird bath, this could be a great fit for your yard. But just keep in mind it may not be the most durable long-term option. At number 4, we have the Cargen Hanging Bird Bath. And let me tell you, this one's a real game changer for those looking for an easy setup. No tools required, just hang it on a wrought iron hanger or a tree branch and you're good to go. The wide, shallow bowl is perfect for multiple birds to enjoy at once, letting them drink and bathe together in safety and comfort. What's really cool about this bird bath is its durability. It's made from PP material with a resin coating, so it can handle rain, intense sunlight, and even cold temperatures without denting or cracking. Plus, the stainless steel hanging chain is rust resistant, thanks to its polished, degreased surface and black electroplating. Now, while most customers rave about its sturdy build, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The hanging mechanism works well, but if you're using it in a windy area, you might want to add extra support to keep it stable. And while the size is perfect for smaller birds like finches or sparrows, larger birds might feel a bit cramped in there. Some users also mentioned that assembly wasn't as easy as they expected, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something quick and simple to set up. If you're working with limited ground space or just want a more intimate bird watching experience at eye level, this hanging bird bath offers great value. Just make sure you've got a suitable place to hang it and be aware that it's better suited for smaller bird species. Next up, at number 3, we've got the Hanizi deck-mounted bird bath bowl, a fantastic solution if you want to bring the birds closer to your view without taking up precious ground or hanging space. The best part, it comes with an adjustable clamp that fits decks up to 2 inches thick, and there are no tools required for installation. How cool is that? The lightweight plastic bowl detaches easily from the steel ring, making cleaning and filling a breeze, keeping your water fresh for your feathered friends. It's also super easy to move around your deck railing, so you can adjust the position to your liking. Customers are loving how simple it is to install and how sturdy it stays once attached. Many even mention that it holds up well during freezing weather, and because of the secure mounting, raccoons can't knock it over, something that's a real issue with traditional bird baths. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The size is compact, which is perfect for smaller to medium birds, but might not be spacious enough for larger species. Some users also wish the bath was a bit deeper for those enthusiastic little bathers. If you're looking to bring birds right up to your deck for a closer, more personal view, this is a great option. It solves common issues like predator access and the hassle of cleaning ground-based baths. Just remember, you're sacrificing some capacity for the convenience, and you'll need a suitable railing to mount it. What do you think? Could this be the perfect addition to your deck? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. At number 2, we have the SZMP solar-powered fountain Birdbath. And if you're looking for a way to add some serious charm to your garden, this one's a must-see. This beautiful fountain features a premium glass solar panel that efficiently harnesses the sun's energy to power its spray. What really sets it apart, though, is its versatility. With 7 different nozzles, you get 8 unique spray shapes to create some seriously stunning visual effects in your garden. The design includes 4 plastic pipes that keep the fountain steady, preventing it from tipping over or spilling water, so you can enjoy a stable, lively display all day. And it couldn't be easier to use. Just place it in sunlit water, and it starts spraying right away, turning any still water into a dynamic, sparkling fountain. Most customers are pleasantly surprised by how well it works, even with partial sunlight. The setup is simple, and many users love the ability to change the spray pattern depending on their mood or the weather. It really gives you that extra touch of customization. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The water spray height really depends on direct sunlight, so on cloudy days, you might see a drop in performance. And while the fountain is lightweight and easy to handle, some users have mentioned concerns about its long-term durability. If you're looking to bring movement and life to an existing bird bath or small pond, this solar-powered fountain offers an eco-friendly, easy solution. Just remember that weather can affect performance. And always make sure there's enough water to prevent damage to the pump. At number 1, we have the Alpine Corporation 31-inch outdoor antique flower bird bath, the best bird bath on our list. Standing at 31 inches tall, this bird bath is more than just a functional piece. It's a stunning garden decoration with its intricate flower detailing and charming bird accent. It's the kind of piece that turns your garden into a true oasis. The wide, shallow bowl design is perfect for multiple small birds to drink and bathe at once, and giving them a safe and accessible spot to enjoy. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene, it's designed with a natural green finish that resists fading, rust, and damage from UV rays, rain, and extreme temperatures. But here's what really makes this bird bath stand out. It's the perfect blend of beauty, function, and durability. Customers rave about its gorgeous appearance, especially the patina metal look that blends beautifully into any garden setting. Plus, the base offers space for planting flowers, so you can personalize it to match your garden style. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. While it's marketed as durable, a few customers have mentioned that it's lighter than expected, so if you live in a windy area, you might want to add some weight to the base. Also, the bowl isn't very deep, which is great for birds but means you might need to refill it more often, especially on hot days. For homeowners who want to attract a variety of birds while adding a touch of charm to their garden, the Alpine Bird Bath offers incredible value. Its thoughtful design, bird-friendly features, and affordable price make it our top pick for anyone looking to add a bird bath to their outdoor space. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Check the description for links to all the bird baths we covered today. Which bird bath caught your eye? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.